Welcome back to the Kernow Beta 2100. This is the receive side of the video. What you're hearing at the moment, you can just hear that the radio is indeed receiving, and that's a 3 microvolt signal. So just like with the 1100, it's the same layout. So basically we're looking at T1, T2, T3, T4, IF is T6, and the detector, just move the radio, is that one there, which is T5. So we'll start with these, and what we'll just do is we're going to look at this on a synad meter. I'm also looking at an oscilloscope. We'll just switch that meter in. And what we're going to do is now turn down the sensitivity of the signal generator, see whether we can hear 1 microvolt. We can. We'll just attenuate that a little bit further. That's very good actually. That's already 0.6 of a microvolt. So what we're now going to do is we're looking for the lowest signal on this meter. So that's L6, T1, T2, T3, T4, just check T6. We'll just lower the attenuator again. Now 0.5 of microvolt. Run through those again. T1, T2, T3, T4, T6, now we're going to change the tactics. We're going to put an S9 equivalent signal on, which is 100 microvolts. We'll turn the volume up a bit to make this a bit easy to see. And now we're looking for maximum on the meter, whilst adjusting T5 the detector. A little bit was gained there. I could see that more pronounced on the oscilloscope than I could on the meter there. Now we thought, just cancel that. Roll we, that is. That's the bar graph meter showing S9. Now it just says 1, 2, 3 and 4, but ideally I think we should be lighting at S9 3 of those 4 lights. So we'll just see whether the extra preset between the Beta 1100 and this model, the 2100, see whether that is the adjustment. It is. So just going to have it just off the 4th light. Now when we turn the signal generator up, so we're currently on 100 microvolts, we're going on to 300. It should hopefully light up. It does. So we've set that ideally. It's got an RF gain control on this radio, so if I turn that down, yep, that works. Good. Now we're going to set this. We'll have a look at the squelch. So I'll turn the signal generator off. Signal generator is now off. I'm going to set the squelch to threshold. So there we are, it's just disappeared. We'll switch the generator back on. And we'll advance the attenuator on the signal generator until we can just hear that coming through on the squelch. 1 microvolt, 3 microvolts. Now I think that's a bit coarse, to be quite honest. But we'll just see where the squelch is at the other end of the spectrum. So we'll turn the squelch to full on the radio. And now we'll adjust the attenuator on the test set. 3, 10, 30, 100 microvolts, 300 microvolts it comes in at. In actual fact, that's fine. As I've said time and time again, you don't want a squelch which is so coarse and so harsh that it never ever lets the signal through. So that's fine. If we needed to adjust the squelch, what we would have needed to do was to adjust VR3. And VR3 is the squelch sensitivity there. So that's it. This radio has come off eBay in full working order. I've just got another ½ watt out of it. I've just got a little bit more out of the receiver. So there we are. I don't know whether it was sold to me as working or not. It was going to get serviced anyway, and it was bought solely for this demonstration. So there you have it, the Kernow Beta 2100.